Are you looking for the top 5 best fuel injector cleaner tips? Everyone thinks the best-selling fuel injector cleaner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Royal Purple Fuel Injector Cleaner. Right away, the sleek packaging and the Royal Purple brand caught my eye. Priced at just $6.48, this cleaner claims to restore fuel economy and maximize horsepower. If you're looking to boost your vehicle's performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Royal Purple cleaner promises to improve your engine's responsiveness while stabilizing ethanol. This is crucial if you're using gasoline that contains ethanol, which can cause issues over time. With over 3,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many people trust this product to keep their engines running smoothly. Now, some people complained about the small bottle size. Here's the thing though, while it might not seem like enough for larger jobs, it's perfect for regular maintenance or for smaller engines that need a quick refresh. Plus, at this price, you can easily buy a couple of bottles. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers strong results. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty cleaner for extensive buildup. But honestly, for regular maintenance,
Product number 2. ThickPo Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit. Now, if Royal Purple's smaller size bothered you, the ThickPo Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit offers a completely different approach. Priced at $26.89, this kit is designed for DIYers who want to take control of their fuel injector cleaning. If you're serious about vehicle maintenance, this is definitely worth a look. What's cool about this kit is that it operates injectors individually, allowing you to diagnose fuel delivery problems like blockages or leaks. It comes with 8 size cleaning adapters, which means it can fit most vehicles. The fact that it has 8 pulse modes means you can easily customize the cleaning process based on the injector's condition. This versatility is a game changer for anyone who wants to maintain their own vehicle. Some users did mention that it requires a 12-volt battery for operation. Here's the thing though, for car enthusiasts or those who like to do their own repairs, this minor inconvenience is a small price to pay for such a comprehensive tool. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year warranty. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY.
Product number 3. The Harain Welding Tip Cleaner. Next up is the Harain Welding Tip Cleaner, priced at just $3.99. This tool set is a bit different, focusing on cleaning tiny orifices, but very versatile when it comes to fuel injectors too. If you are facing clogged jets and need a precise cleaning tool, you should check this out. This set comes with 13 different cleaning wires, making it perfect for removing dirt from small openings in carburetors and other components. The quality stainless steel ensures durability, which means this tool could stick around for a while. What's great is that it's compact and easy to carry, so you can keep it in your toolbox for quick fixes. However, some folks found the wire sizes a bit too small for larger jets. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily dealing with smaller orifices, this tool is a lifesaver. Just remember, it's not the best for big jobs. This is perfect for you if you often work on small engines or need a portable cleaning solution. Skip this one if you primarily deal with larger carburetors and fuel systems, but for the price, it's a handy Product number 4. Wilbond Torch Tip Cleaner. Following that, we have the Wilbond 4 pieces torch tip cleaner for $9.49. This is another handy tool set that includes 13 wire files for cleaning jets and carburetors. If you want a reliable way to keep your fuel injectors and other small parts clean, you'll want to pay attention to this one. The quality materials and variety of wire sizes make it suitable for a range of applications. What stood out to me is that it's not just for fuel injectors, but also perfect for welding tips, nozzles, and even shower heads. You can use these repeatedly, which is a great investment for anyone who works on multiple machines. Some users did mention that the wires could bend if too much pressure is applied. Here's the thing, if you use them carefully, they'll last for a long time. Just remember to be gentle and you won't have a problem. This is perfect for you if you need a multi-purpose cleaning tool that's great for various jobs. Skip this if you're looking for something solely for fuel injectors, as this is more of a general use.
Product number 5. ThickPo Universal Fuel Injector Tester Cleaner Toolkit. Lastly, we have another option from ThickPo, the Universal Fuel Injector Tester Cleaner Toolkit for $26.99. This is a bit of a repeat, but worth mentioning again due to its robust features. If you're really invested in maintaining your fuel injectors, this one could be a great fit. Like its predecessor, this kit includes 8 pulse modes and is capable of testing 2 injectors simultaneously, meaning you can save time and get accurate diagnostics all in one go. The added bonus of a 3-year warranty is also a plus in this price range. It's designed for serious car enthusiasts or mechanics who need reliable tools. Some users mentioned it requires additional supplies like a cleaner and a battery to operate, which can be a hassle, but for someone who's committed to proper maintenance, this is just part of the process that leads to better engine performance. This is perfect for you if you are a dedicated...
So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Royal Purple to the comprehensive ThickPo kits, there's a tool for every need. Whether you're a casual driver or a serious DIY enthusiast, these options can help keep your fuel injectors clean and functioning smoothly. Just remember to choose based on your specific needs and how much effort you're willing to put in.